At ito na ang part 2 ng sweldo reveal ni Angel as a nurse in California.
Let's go to UCLA. Same, RN Med-Surg Telemetry, Emergency Care Unit. Makikita mo dito ang salary range mas mataas, 62.43 to 92.81. Even yung lowest range niya is already higher than the Mount Sinai in New York City. And napakataas nung upper bracket, it's 92.81. Oh my God, see? Kailangan ko na ata mag-apply sa UCLA. I don't work there. And then Stanford Health is from the Bay Area. Makikita mo, 72.55 to 96.15 per hour. Mas mataas talaga siya compared sa LA. Yun nga lang, this position is a case manager RN position, which is usually, that's actually my position here in LA. But for the sake of searching, wala akong nakitang med-surg. So yun na lang gagamitin ko for now for an RN rate. Some hospitals naman mas mataas yung bedside nurse rate compared sa case management. Depende kung sang union sila. But for this particular one, makikita mo na mas mataas siya. And ang bonus ko sa inyo, since nag-promise ako na mag-sweldo reveal tayo, so this is where I work. Ito ang range niya, 54.86 to 89.97. So, I'm somewhere in between that. So, hindi ko naman i-reveal yung actual income ko, but I'm not a new nurse. I'm not like a super veteran nurse. So, I'm somewhere in between those two amounts.